wish you could go back in time and be one of the first people to own something before the world realized how huge it would become? Like the first YouTuber who started posting videos before the platform exploded, or the first person who built an online course while everyone else was still learning Zoom. Because what you're about to see is that the exact kind of once-in-a-lifetime shift? Except this time, it's not about creating videos or learning marketing. It's about owning the next revolution in education itself. Introducing AI Virtual Academy, the world's first app that builds you a fully automated AI university, staffed with 25+ professors that never sleep, never complain, and teach everything, from math to coding to chemistry, on autopilot. Yes, you heard that right. Not a course, not a website, an actual working online academy that runs itself 24/7 while you keep 100% of the tuition. Let that sink in for a second, because for the first time ever, you don't have to learn from AI, you get to own the AI that teaches the world. Think about that. Schools are closing, teachers are quitting, students are turning to AI tutors by the millions, and now you can be the one who profits from it, even if you've never taught a single class in your life. Your AI professors teach, your academy enrolls, your system collects payments, and you just sit back and watch it all happen. It's like having your own digital Harvard, but instead of working for it, it works for you. And you don't need to build anything. The entire school, the professors, the student dashboard, the payment gateway is already done for you. Just log in, click activate, and your academy goes live. You can accept students in every country, in every language, instantly. While you sleep in Dubai, your AI professors are teaching students in Japan, Spain, and the US at the same time. That's real, global, non-stop income, powered by pure AI. No products, no ads, no audience, no stress. Just your personal education empire, running on autopilot. Now imagine what you can do with that. You could rent out your academy to schools and charge monthly. You could sell student access and collect tuition directly. You could even create specialized academies, one for coding, one for physics, one for kids, all run by the same AI engine. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, it's so simple anyone can do it. Even if you've never touched a line of code, even if you've failed in every online business before, even if you have no idea how AI works, because the software does everything for you. It's like flipping a switch and suddenly owning the most advanced university the world has ever seen. That's why early users are already calling it the lazy man's Harvard, because it's not just about money. It's about leverage, power, owning something that millions will one day depend on. And let's be honest, everyone is searching for a way out of the struggle, out of the bills, out of the 9-to-5 trap, out of the endless cycle of buying courses that never work. This isn't another promise or trend. This is a machine that replaces all that and builds you something permanent, the kind of digital asset that grows while you sleep, that earns while you rest, that scales on its own without your input. That's what AI Virtual Academy gives you. It's not about working harder, it's about never having to work the same way again. You're not hustling for pennies, you're owning the infrastructure of the future. So here's what to do next. Click the button below, activate your academy, and within minutes, your 25+ AI professors will be live, teaching real students in real time across the world. You don't need to think, build, or plan, just switch it on and let it run. But remember, every moment you wait, another person's AI academy is going live. And once this window closes, it's gone. Oh, and if you're worried, you're protected with our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you don't like the AI Virtual Academy, just send us an email, and we will refund every penny you've paid. No questions asked. So click below, activate AI Virtual Academy today, and let your professors start working for you, while the rest of the world is still trying to figure out what just happened.